Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. You need to begin by opening Tab menu, then look for location shortcut, and when you find it, just click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that location is on. In order to turn it off, just click on the same shortcut. You can also go into Settings, scroll down, choose Location section over here, and manage it by clicking on the switcher next to Use Location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!